Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks great. You do have the black grille up front here with your bifunction projector style headlights and your fog lights just down there. You do also have your tow hooks along the bottom with your parking sensors. And coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look fantastic. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signals on them. They are the tow mirrors, so all you gotta do is push up on this side, folds right up for us, and they look great like that. Then you do have your running boards along the bottom here, just like that. And you do have a 6-foot box back here. Looks great. You have the 4x4 badging, as well as you do have your backup camera right there and your your parking sensors. Looks great back here. 6-foot box. As I said, it does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Remote start is especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. It also has proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked, you just gotta put your hand in there. It will unlock for you, plus you got the button there if you did want to lock it that way. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as this guy does bring in your mirrors. You have a bit of chrome accenting here and a very nice wood finish right along here. Handle here, some storage, and some more just down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. Leather seats, very comfortable. They do have the Laramie badging on them. And right over here, we do have the controls over the seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt, lumbar support, and your seat memory there. Right up here we do have the controls of our lights, so we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here and our fog lights. Up here we do have the controls over the high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, it is a push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Okay, in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge. We have our engine and our oil life up there. In the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 52,000, not too bad at all. As well as we do have the temperature outside and what channel we're on. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, trailer tow, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. You do have your gear shift right here, just like that. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now in the center, we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all there, as well as our media tab if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have the settings here, so over your heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer, backup camera, and the passenger side. You do have your Uconnect apps right there. You have your climate control right over here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here, and if you hit view map, you can see we are on Wreck Place, of course. And then you do have your phone options right there. Now, right over here, we do have our controls over 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low, as well as the neutral. And then over here, we do also have our control over our volume, the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser there, AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off auto. Then you also have your front and rear defrost, trailer brake here. You also have your traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brake, front and rear park sensors. Then you also have your heated seats, vented seats, and heated steering wheel. Some storage in here, storage down here with a place to put your phone. Some cup holders right there. And you also have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders here. And right over here we do have an aux cord and USB plug-in. Then you can close that up, lift this up, and you do have some more storage just underneath there. Right over here we do have our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside. Up top here you do have the control over your sunroof, your little window in the back, and you also have your control over your universal garage door opener. And right up here is our sunroof. It looks great. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting on the handle, control over your windows. You have that nice wood accent up here, handle, and some storage right here and here. Looks great back here. It is the same material as the front. That leather is very nice. You can fold this down as well. Then you got an armrest with some cup holders right there. You can also fold this up just like this. You do have some storage under there. You got a subwoofer underneath the other one. You can fold these down as well, and you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. as well as underneath here you do have some storage and your heated seats right there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.